हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं टॉप 100 कंप्यूटर जीके। वीडियो में आपको एंड तक बने रहना है एंड लास्ट में आपको बताना है कि आपने आउट ऑफ 100 कितना स्कोर किया है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सभी क्वेश्चन को हमने एमसीक्यू के फॉर्म में रखा है ताकि आपको 3 से 4 सेकेंड का समय मिल सके अपने आंसर को कॉमेंट सेक्शन में लिखने के लिए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच वन इज द फर्स्ट वेब ब्राउजर invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1990? Correct answer is C. Nexus. Which of the following company or industry invented the graphical user interface? Right answer is D. Xerox. Dash was the first personal computer with a graphical user interface? Answer is B. Apple's Lisa. What is cache memory? Answer is first, buffer memory situated between the CPU and RAM. Which button is used to bring down the active window to the taskbar? Answer is B. Minimize. Database entries are called? Correct answer is A. Records. Microsoft Corporation was founded in? Answer is C. 1975. Which of the following is the world's first graphical internet? Answer is B. Airways. Dash was the first commercially successful word processing software? Answer is A. WordStar. Who is the founder of Linux operating system? Answer is D. Linus Torvalds. In which year was the first ever version of Microsoft Word 1.0 launched? Answer is B. 1983. GPS is an abbreviation for? GPS की फुल फॉर्म क्या है? आंसर इज बी. Global Positioning System. Who invented GPS technology? Right answer is A. United States military. Which is the first computer virus in the world? Answer is B. Creeper. Who is the co-founder of Apple Computers? Correct answer is D. Steve Jobs. Who among the following built the Microsoft Disk Operating System or MS-DOS? Correct answer is A. Tim Patterson. TIFF and GIF are extensions of? Answer is A. Image file. Both are image file. POP3 stands for? Answer is A. Post Office Protocol version 3. In which year was Windows 10 launched? Correct answer is B. In 2015. In which year Android was founded? Correct answer is C. 2003. The first program that runs on a computer when the computer boots up is. कंप्यूटर के बूट होने पर सबसे पहला प्रोग्राम कौन सा रन होता है? आंसर इज बी. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसफरिंग फाइल्स फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट टू योर कंप्यूटर इज कॉल्ड. इंटरनेट से आपके कंप्यूटर पर फाइल ट्रांसफर करने की प्रोसेस क्या कहलाती है? आंसर इज ए. डाउनलोडिंग. The process of transferring files from your computer to the internet is called. आपके कंप्यूटर से इंटरनेट पर फाइल ट्रांसफर करने की प्रोसेस क्या कहलाती है? करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. अपलोडिंग. When you purchase a product over a mobile phone, the transaction is called. Correct answer is C. M-commerce. Data that is copied from an application is stored in. किसी एप्लीकेशन से कॉपी किए गए डेटा को कहाँ स्टोर किया जाता है? आंसर इज बी. क्लिपबोर्ड. तो अगर आप किसी भी एप्लीकेशन से डेटा को कॉपी करते हैं तो वो क्लिपबोर्ड में स्टोर रहता है और वो तब तक स्टोर रहता है जब तक कि आप किसी दूसरे डेटा को कट या कॉपी ना कर ले या फिर अपने सिस्टम को रीस्टार्ट या शटडाउन ना कर दे. द मेन पेज ऑफ अ वेबसाइट इज कॉल्ड एज. आंसर इज ए. होम पेज. Which of the following is used to create web pages? Answer is D. HTML. Mouse is an. Correct answer is A. Input device. A byte is. Correct answer is C. A group of 8 bits. In 1969, ARPANET was developed by which country? Correct answer is A. USA. What is the full form of CC in the context of email? Answer is B. Carbon copy. DNS stands for. Correct answer is D. Domain name system. Control plus P shortcut key is used to. Answer is C. Print a document. Which of the following is not a computer virus? Correct answer is D. Dawn. Which of the following is an example of an operating system? Correct answer is C. Windows 10. The term HDD in computer storage stands for. Correct answer is D. Hard disk drive. The smallest unit of a digital image is a. Answer is A. Pixel. Which of the following programming languages is known for web development? All these are programming languages. आपको आंसर बताना है वेब डेवलपमेंट के लिए कौन सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज जानी जाती है। आंसर इज सी, जावा स्क्रिप्ट। व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की फॉर इंक्रीजिंग द फॉन्ट साइज इन MS वर्ड? करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, कंट्रोल प्लस क्लोज स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स। Which of the following is not an open source operating system? Answer is A, Windows. What is the term for a computer's ability to perform multiple tasks simultaneously? कंप्यूटर की एक साथ कई कार्य करने की क्षमता को क्या कहते हैं? आंसर इज ए, मल्टीटास्किंग। Which of the following is not a file name extension of an audio file? Answer is A, .cdr. This is not a audio file extension. B, C and D, all these are audio file extension. Dash was the first web browser developed by the National Center for Supercomputing Application or NCSA. Correct answer is C, Mosaic. Dash is the key circuit board holding the essential processing parts of a computer. कंप्यूटर के इसेंशियल प्रोसेसिंग पार्ट्स को होल्ड करने वाला मेन सर्किट बोर्ड क्या कहलाता है? आंसर इज डी, मदरबोर्ड। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन आउटपुट डिवाइस? करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, बार कोड रीडर। इट इज अ इनपुट डिवाइस। मॉनिटर, डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर एंड प्लॉटर are output devices. Second generation computers can be categorized largely by their use of. Answer is D, transistors. In the world of computers, what is Ubuntu? Correct answer is B, open source Linux operating system. Bill Gates co-founded Microsoft Corporation in 1975 with. Right answer is D, Paul G. Allen. Which part of the computer is called its brain? All these are computer parts. Correct answer is A, CPU. Dash is used to create attractive presentations. Answer is D, MS PowerPoint. In which year was Facebook started? Right answer is B, 2004. Who is known as the father of video games? Correct answer is D, Ralph H. Baer. D is right answer. Dash is considered to be the father of modern digital computer. Answer is C, Charles Babbage. Who is known as the father of artificial intelligence? Answer is B, John McCarthy. Computer speakers and headphones are which type of devices? Correct answer is D. Output. Which of the following is an electrically erasable programmable read-only memory? Or you can say double EEPROM. Correct answer is C. Flash memory. Expand the abbreviation of ATM. Correct answer is B. Automated teller machine. Which is India's first supercomputer? Correct answer is B. Param 8000. Where is India's supercomputer Param located? Answer is B. Pune. Dash is known for being one of the co-founders of Google along with Sergey Brin. Correct answer is C. Larry Page. Who invented the mobile phone? Correct answer is C. Martin Cooper. Who played an important role in developing the first supercomputer in India? Correct answer is D. Vijay Bhatkar. Who invented the World Wide Web? Answer is A. Tim Berners-Lee. Operating system developed by Google for mobile phone is called? Answer B. Android. Which of the following is not a social media platform? Answer is D. Google. Dash is a video conferencing app developed by Google. Answer is A. Meet, or you can say Google Meet. CD-ROM stands for? Correct answer is C. Compact disc read-only memory. CD-ROM is a? Correct answer is A. Secondary memory. Computer uses which number system to store data and perform calculations? Correct answer is A. Binary. Which of the following numbers is a binary number? Answer is D. 0 and 1. Which of the following is not a binary number? Correct answer is C. 11E. This is not a binary number. Binary number में 2 डिजिट होते हैं 0 and 1. So correct answer is related to binary number A, B and D. C is incorrect. The clock speed of a processor is measured in which of the following units? Answer is A. Gigahertz. Python is a? Correct answer is B. High level language. Who has developed the automatically programmable tool or APT? Correct answer is D. Douglas T. Rose. Which of the following was the first commercial web browser? Correct answer is C. Netscape. internal name for the old Netscape browser was? Right answer is A. Mozilla Firefox. What is the expansion of CEU? Or you can say full form of CU. Correct answer is B. Control Unit. The built-in browser in Windows 10 is called? Correct answer is D. Microsoft Edge. Windows Explorer is an example of? Answer is C. A file manager. The term DFD stands for? Correct answer is fifth. Data flow diagram. CPU controls? Answer is A. All input, output and processing. What does the acronym CPU stands for? Correct answer is C. Central Processing Unit. This is incorrect, guys. Commonly used abbreviation ISP in computer science stands for? Answer is A. Internet Service Provider. Which technology is commonly used for wireless communication in IoT devices? IoT की फुल फॉर्म होती है इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स डिवाइसेस। तो इस डिवाइस में किस वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन का यूज़ किया जाता है? आंसर इज ए. ब्लूटूथ. द फर्स्ट मैकेनिकल कैलकुलेटर वॉज कॉल्ड? आंसर इज डी. पास्कलिन. हु इन्वेंटेड द कैलकुलेटर? Correct answer is D. Blaise Pascal. What is POST in computers? POST. Correct answer is A. Power on self test. The full form of UPS in computer is? Correct answer is B. Uninterruptible power supply. The term 1 gigabyte refers to? 1 gigabyte or GB? Answer is B. 1024 megabytes. The value of a terabyte is? Terabyte or TB? Answer is C. 1024 gigabytes. Which of the following is the Microsoft Cloud service? Correct answer is B. OneDrive. With respect to memory, what is the full form of USB? Answer is C. Universal Serial Bus. Flash drive is popularly known as? Correct answer is D. Pen drive. Which one of the following keys is used to minimize the active window? करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, विंडो लोगो की प्लस डाउन एरो की। जैसे ही हम प्रेस करते हैं, जिस भी एप्लीकेशन पे काम करते हैं उसका साइज जो है छोटा हो जाता है। अगर मैक्सिमाइज करना है तो विंडो लोगो कीज के साथ अप एरो की प्रेस करेंगे। द एरो कीज, होम की एंड एंड की, पेज अप एंड पेज डाउन कीज इन कंप्यूटर कीबोर्ड आर क्लासिफाइड एज। करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, नेविगेशन कीज। नेविगेशन कीज में कौन कौन सी की आती है एक बार फिर से देख लीजिए। एरो कीज, होम की, एंड की, पेज अप एंड पेज डाउन। द इंटरनेट इज अ, करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क और WAN। What is the shortcut key for the central alignment of a line or text in MS Office software? Correct answer is first Control plus E. Light pen is a, answer is C, pointing device. Light pen is a pointing device. Bluetooth is, answer is second, short range data transmission protocol. Which of the following is the most powerful type of computer? This is the last question. Answer is D, सुपर कंप्यूटर। आपने 100 में से कितना स्कोर किया है जल्दी से कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताइए। एंड एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको देना है सी, जावा, PHP एंड C++ आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ। इसका भी आंसर आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में लिख के बताना है। वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए।